First things first, lift the rear of the hood and then locate the position where the seat belts go through the bulkhead, which is just here. Your fastener will go in 1 inch inside and parallel to the bottom of that cutout slot. So using a 2.5mm drill bit, you fit the press stud base into the bulkhead with the supplied screw. And as I said, it's parallel to the bottom of the access for the seat belt and about 1 inch to 1.25 inch inboard. Okay, so the next stage is to position the hood cover onto the car and then mark where the 10-ax fastener goes on that body position. Next stage is to put a 12mm hole in the tonneau to accept the 10-ax fastener. So the next stage is to fit the 10-ax fastener. They're a screw thread and you use the supplied tool. And that's the tool. So the next stage is to mark the press studs on the cant rail. Some cars have 2, this car has got 2, you can see it there, and some cars just have a single one. Either way, just mark where they come, and that's obviously after fitting the 10-ax into the correct peg. So using a 4mm punch the holes out for the press studs. So using the correct punch and dive for the press stud, you hammer the 2 halves of the press stud together. And there we go, there's the press stud in on the face side and the other half on the back. And there we go, one hood bag or hood cover fitted to the vehicle.